What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. Today we got a couple of things to show you guys. One, unboxing from the Nike SNKRS app. I actually had these sneakers for about going on 2 weeks now. Still haven't unboxing for you guys, but I wanted to let you guys know that your boy been getting W's on the Nike SNKRS app, and we have another package from them as well that we have to unbox. We're gonna say that for another video. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss any other content that drops on the channel. We got more lookbooks coming soon, more early unboxing and stuff like that. 2021, hopefully your boy can get the cool grids early and those Carmine 6s. I need at least 3 pair for the personal, you feel me? I need 3 personal pairs, Nike on the back. I cannot wait till we start getting those 2021 releases because Jordan brand ain't slowing down. I obviously see some dope Yeezys dropping as well. So it's gonna be another crazy year for us sneakerheads, spending a lot of money on these kicks, bro. So you guys let me know some of your most anticipated Air Jordans for 2021. And you guys can let me know some of your Yeezy most anticipated releases of 2021 as well. Drop them comments down below in the comment section. You guys know I respond to every single comment, so drop them down below. And also head over to Instagram. Give your boy a follow at The Vintage World, link down below in the description box. And with all that out the way, let's get into this unboxing, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first, man, I want to show you guys that my Travis Scott merch is starting to come in. And if you guys remember when the Jeezy and the Gucci Man versus battle was, Travis Scott dropped some merch on his website for that versus right there, and that finally came in the mail. You guys know I'm a big Gucci fan. I just started listening to Jeezy a little bit more after that versus, and I was like, yo, I gotta cop the shirt. You guys know he always does pre-orders on his all his merchandise, so he never losing money. So I think that's very smart for him to do. But we finally got the Gucci Man, we got the snowman over here, and we got the snow cone over here. Check it out. And on the back it has TM 1017. It has Gucci Man versus Young Jeezy live from Magic City, Atlanta, November 19th, 2020. One night only. Probably one of the craziest nights in music history, I guess you could say, because you see those two people together, you would never expect that to happen. So I was like, yo, I gotta cop the merch for that crazy event, man. However he does the pre-orders or whatever, it takes literally a whole month plus to get your merch. So with that out the way, let's get into this Nike SNKRS unboxing, man. Sneakers have been blessing your boy, I'm telling y'all. Cut it open real quick and get into it. I already know what these are. You guys probably know what they are already. Hopefully you didn't skip through. Hopefully you guys are dropping some comments as we're going along with this video. And I'll be throwing in another on feet portion for this one, the one we did for the last video. And yeah, man, let's get into it, bro. Enough talking, but like I said, we got an unboxing from GOAT. We actually got 2 unboxings from GOAT, and we have another unboxing from the Nike SNKRS, so you guys stay tuned for all that good stuff. Right now, before we get into it, man, leave a huge like on this video, and I want to say thank you again to the sneaker guys, you feel me? Nike been blessing your boy with these W's. Took an L today on the Nike SNKRS, but we're not gonna get into all that. Let's get into these joints right here. You guys see the bottom of the box. You probably should already know what they are, but if not, let's go ahead and get these things out. So check it out, bro. Your boy hit on another pair of these Air Jordan 11 Jubilees. And the main reason I want to make this video today is because for everybody that passed up on a sneaker, it's probably going to be hurting next year when they see the resale value on these. I definitely think from the history that we learned about it, you know, the Jordan going down the side and stuff like that. You guys can see them behind me. They wanted to do that for the DMP 11s. And they didn't do it, and they threw it with the 25th anniversary. And I just learned that Jubilee stood for like an anniversary for a 25th or 50th anniversary. So that's very dope. The sneaker has a lot of meaning, and I definitely think this resale value is gonna go up. So you guys let me know how you feel about them as well. But you got another colorway, black, multicolor, retail for $220. Your boy put that military discount on there. I gotta say that bread. And yeah, man, I got 3 pairs of these Jubilee 11 just because your boy about to get into his resale bag, you feel me? Next year, these are gonna be going for I'll say about $450 at the minimum. $450 minimum, $500 around that price range. You check the Concords, you check the Breads I released last year, all of the resale has went up tremendously. And for these to probably never release again, I don't see them releasing the 25th anniversary again. Maybe something similar to it with the Jordan going down the side, but this sneaker specifically, I doubt we see these joints come out again. And that's why I really wanted to, you know, talk about in this video. These joints is gonna be going for some stupid bread. I'm telling you guys, check them out, Air Jordan 11 Jubilees. And I hit on my size on Nike SNKRS app. Super crazy. That rarely ever happens. And the other shoe that we got from Nike SNKRS, I haven't unboxed for you guys yet, but I was super surprised that I hit on those as well. You guys already know how the paper come. We already did a full review on feet, 2020 and Jumpman's all over. And like I said, hit on the size, 9.5 on the Nike SNKRS app the first time, I believe, or I forget what happened. No, I picked up a size 9.5 from the PX, and I got another, I forget where I got the other pair from. I don't even know where I got the other pair from, but somehow I got these right. Oh, I picked the other pair up from Champs. That's what it was. Sorry. But let's go ahead and get into these Jubilee things, man. Check them out. Check them out right here. Very, very clean. I want you guys to drop all your thoughts and opinions over these. Do you think that the resale value would jump up next year? I'll probably even say by like July time frame, because I don't see them doing like a restock like they did for the Breads last year. I think the Concourse is probably the most released 11. I think it was like over 1 million or 2 million pairs or something like that, or maybe that was for the Breads, I'm not too sure. But these right here, not coming out again. You guys see it, that Jordan going down the side that people really was knocking. Even myself, I was really hating on this shoe, and then when I got it in the hand early from my boy, I was like, yo, these things is not half bad. I started doing my research on the sneaker, started seeing a couple of different, you know, like the chrome hit on the side, that Jumpman, that chrome Jumpman is super crazy. Then you got the 2-3 on the back. It's not embroidered or anything like that, so it's gonna last a very long time. And even the Jordan going down the side, man, I really love those silver platinum hits, whatever you wanna call it. The one thing I did not like about this shoe, off rip, like I said, was the Jordan going down the side and then the milky outsole, something like we got with the 72 and 10s. And when I was looking at my homie's pair, when you wearing those, you guys know I rock my sneakers. You guys know it's gonna get very dirty. That's why your boy uses his drip grip. You gotta get your drip grip. This is something I put on my Air Jordan 1 J Balvin's. Super easy installation. All you need is a heat gun, copy some drip grip. Use my code DaVincis10 link down below and go copy yourself some drip grip, man. Yo, I actually still have the homies, the Retro Wiz Kid pair right here. Check it out. If you don't want your pair to look like this, I know before drip grip, before I even introduced this stuff, all my outsoles are super crazy, but definitely for some of these Jordan 11s and some of these Jordan 1s that you want to keep the value on and stuff like that, throw some drip grip at the bottom, and then your outsoles can stay looking very, very near DS and keep the value of the sneaker up, you feel me? Hey, real quick, you guys already know I love the discussion. Please answer those questions down below. How far do you think these Jubilee 11s will go up in resale value? And let me know if you was the one to pass up on these Jubilees, because like I said, beginning of the year, I said, forget these, I want the cool grays. Ever since I seen Jason Tatum had that player exclusive pair, I'm like, yo, hopefully we get them this year. They deaded that, and they say, yo, y'all definitely getting these Air Jordan 11 Jubilees. Like I said, now that I have them in hand, I'm actually really enjoying them. Glad I added them in the collection, and now your boy's trying to do a little quick investment for a couple of these Air Jordan 11s, man. I appreciate everybody pulling up to the video. Please leave a huge like on this thing. Let's get us up to 400 likes, you guys. I know the goal. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss any other video that drops. Like I said, next year, I'm gonna try to do way more early reviews on the channel, so make sure you stay tuned by hitting that notification bell. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow with DaVincis World. It will always be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.